Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to download Linen application on your Android device. If you are looking for a way to download genuine Linen wallet app on your Android, then the process is quite easy, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Now open your Google Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Linen in the search box and search. Look for the Linen Safe Crypto DeFi Wallet application, which should look like this, and tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android phone. Linen Wallet is a self-custodial wallet powered by Gnosis Safe's smart contract. It creates a blockchain account and 3 keys for each user account. It lets its users enjoy a seamless experience with zero network fees on the Polygon and Gnosis Safe chains, and the wallet itself follows a self-custody model, meaning users control their private keys. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open, and there you have successfully downloaded and installed and also launched open the Linen application on your device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.